Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the vSeeBox V6 Pro streaming box. I know a lot of people have been curious about this device, so in this video I'm mainly going to focus on the hardware, the setup experience, interface, and how it performs during everyday use. Right out of the box, the V6 Pro has a pretty clean and modern design. Setup was actually very simple. You basically connect it to your TV with the HDMI, plug in the power adapter, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go in just a few minutes. If you've ever used an Android-based streaming box device before, the layout will feel pretty familiar. Inside the package, you get a V6 Pro box itself, the remote control, HDMI cable, power adapter, and the user manual. Everything was packaged nicely, and the remote feels comfortable in the hand with easy-to-reach buttons. One thing I noticed right away is that the interface feels fast and responsive. The menus open quickly, the apps load without much delay, and navigating around the system feels smooth overall. That's something I always look for in a streaming box because slower devices can get frustrating really fast. The picture quality always looks very sharp. If you have a newer TV, especially a 4K television, videos and menus look crisp and colorful. I also like the device stayed fairly quiet and didn't seem to overheat during testing. I think this device would work well for people looking for an easy all-in-one streaming setup for the living room, bedroom, travel, or even RV setup. Since it's compact and lightweight, it's easy to move around if needed. Now, as always with any streaming device, your experience is really going to depend on your internet connection, the apps you choose to install, and how you personally plan to use it. But from a hardware and usability standpoint, the V6 Pro feels smooth, modern, and beginner-friendly. Overall, the vSeeBox V6 Pro seems like a solid streaming box with easy setup, smooth performance, and a clean interface that's simple to use for everyday entertainment. If you want to learn more about it, I'm going to leave a link down below where you can read more on this and the official link for the product. And again, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.